Hey guys, so this is for all my single people out there. So whether you are going through a breakup or you're just kind of mourning this past relationship and you know that this relationship wasn't good for you and you're still mourning this person and this person has gotten into your head, meaning you're telling yourself all of these stories or creating all of these stories of what if they're now happy with this other person? What did I have that they didn't have? Maybe I wasn't good enough. Maybe I didn't do this right. Maybe I let myself go because I'm a mom. Whatever it is, whatever the stories are that you're telling yourself, you have now allowed this person and their own sickness and issues to seep into your mind. So you are now allowing this person to affect your self-esteem and your self-confidence and straight up just your happiness. So one of the benefits of being single after you've ended this relationship is that you actually don't have to deal with this person any longer. You actually don't have to be in a relationship now with someone who does not value you. Your only goal at this point, or your only job, is to get back to you, and not even just who you used to be, but a better version. So that means working on self-esteem. That means working on your self-confidence and your standards. That means working on those affirmations. That means reminding yourself every single day of who you are and how you're going to have the best life possible. This is about not letting someone and their sickness to seep into you anymore to ruin your day, your life, your hour, this minute, whatever.